Hello and welcome. Whether you are preparing for your next big opportunity or just brushing up on your technical skills, you have come to the right place. In this session, we will be diving into some of the most commonly asked SQL interview questions and answers. Data engineering roles are at the heart of every data driven organization, and SQL remains a fundamental skill every data engineer must master. We will cover a range of topics from basic SQL queries to more advanced concepts like window functions, query optimization, data modeling, and ETL processes. These questions are designed not only to test your technical skills but also your ability to think critically and solve real world data problems. Whether you are a beginner looking to get your foot into the door or an experienced engineer aiming to level up, this guide will help you understand what interviewers are really looking for and how to frame your answers with clarity and confidence. So let's get started. Let's see the first question. To find me clear this, let me find duplicate record. So we have here customers, employee orders, and shipping tables. Let us take employees. So among employees, I would like to find duplicate employee records. So let me add the duplicates because there are unique employee ID with employee names. I would like to find duplicate. So insert into table name employee values, employee ID that I want to duplicate is, let's say, to name Susan and salary. I'll just add it as some different value for seeing the difference in the records. So now it added to Susan and 300 at the end of the table, which is a duplicate of second record. So now let's find the duplicate value from the employee table. So how do we do that? One way of doing it is by counting the duplicated values in the employee table. So let me select columns, all columns, and I'll do count star from table name employee and I do group by employee ID, employee name, having count star is greater than 1. So what I am doing here, I'm selecting all the columns and counting the record in the employee table. I am grouping by employee ID plus name. So if there are any duplicates, it will keep on adding to the count, and I will try to print which is having that count of duplicated record more than 1, which is nothing but duplicated records. Let's execute and see. So it return to Susan 102 as the duplicated record. So now let's modify the query. Employee, this record is being. We can even specify which column I want to print, which is duplicated. If I want to print only employee ID, I can print. Only name also I can print. So as we are trying to find by these two only, I just restrict to print only these two to remove this salary from the output. So to Susan, this bug grouping, these two values as in unique are repeating twice. So this is duplicated. Now let's go to the second question, which is to find third highest. For now, we will find second highest salary from the employee table. So for that, what we will be doing, select. We have in the function max to find the max of salary. So I'll just use that max salary from employee table, which is less than internal query, select again max of salary from employee table. So what we are doing in internal query, I'm selecting max of salary, that is which is first highest salary, and then second outer query I am finding again max salary which is less than first max salary. So that is nothing but second max salary. Let's see if this prints the expected output. So I just missed the condition where salary less than. So now if you notice it prints second max as 700. Let's see. In this table we have 229 records and highest salary is 750 and second is 700, which is repeating. So it is printing second highest salary as 700. If I wanted to find ninth highest salary, or if I have 1000 records, if I wanted to find 900th highest salary, we can't keep on doing this internal query 900 times. So let's now use window function. I'll comment this out and let's find the same by window function called row number. So for that, first what I will do, select distinct, salary, and so why I am fetching distinct salary, because I want to assign the rank for each salary and find the nth rank salary. So I will be writing distinct salary and I have to find the rank to it. So to find the rank to it, I will be using row number here, which is a window function, row number, and over I have to write over which condition, order by salary employee, that is descending because I want to find highest as rank from employee. Let me execute this query and see whether it assigns the ranks based on the salary or not. So 750 has got first rank, 700 second, again 700 third. So it assigned the row numbers likewise till 9. So from this, I need to find third rank. So let me write an external query, which is select salary from this one, where where rank is equal to third highest, right? So we will be giving 3. So now what it has to return, third is 1, 2, and 3, 700. Let's run and see. So it gave 700 is the third highest salary. But what if the interviewer asks you to find unique highest salary? So in that case, row number is not useful. So we need to replace it with dense rank. If you went across row number versus dense rank, what it assigns, row number just simply gives a row number irrespective of unique values, but dense rank will assign ranks to each unique salary, the rank value. So let's see now it has to print which is lesser than 700. So after 700 the highest salary is 500. So third highest salary now is third unique highest salary is 500. Let's see more questions with solutions in the next video. Thank you for watching.